Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AXA for health. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AXA Health Insurance portal. Once the portal loads, locate the login section on the home page. Click on the authorize or sign in button depending on what is displayed. You will be redirected to a new page for authorization. Here, enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you don't have an account, look for the Create Account link and click on it. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After logging in, look for the Authorization tab on your dashboard. Click on that tab to initiate the authorization process. You may need to provide additional information for verification. This often includes your policy number and personal identification details. Be sure to fill in all required fields accurately. Once you have entered the necessary information, review it to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit button to proceed with the authorization request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. If additional documentation is required, you will be prompted to provide it. Follow any further instructions provided on the screen. After your authorization is complete, you will receive a notification via email or the portal. Keep this confirmation for your records as it will be important for future access. Once authorized, you will have full access to your health insurance information and services. If you face any issues during the process, refer to the FAQ section or contact customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you will successfully authorize your account with AXA for health insurance access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.